how to convert MOV to MP4 file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to convert a MOV to MP4, make sure that you have downloaded the VLC media player. If you have it, then you can go to the search option on the taskbar. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. Now, search for VLC Media Player. Many times it is pre-installed in your device itself. You just have to open it up. And then, once it opens up, you'll need to go to Media option on the top left. And then you can see Convert slash Save, tap on it. And you need to go to Add option, and then your files will open up. From here, you can tap on your MOV file and you can just open it up, and then the VLC media player will automatically change it into MP4. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.